Meaning of cybernetics. Cybernetics. Cybernetics.
Cybernetics. Cybernetics. Cybernetics is a field of study that focuses on the control and communication processes in both machines and living organisms. It explores the similarities and differences between the two in terms of their ability to process and transmit information, and seeks to develop systems that are more efficient and effective at performing various tasks. The ultimate goal of cybernetics is to create intelligent machines that can learn, adapt, and evolve on their own, without human intervention or supervision.